What is this?
This is a beetroot.
What is this?
This is a beetroot.
Very good. What is this?
This is a ginger.
What is this?
This is a ginger.
Very good. What is this?
This is a carrot.
What is this?
This is a carrot.
Very good. What is this?
This is a tomato.
What is this?
This is a tomato.
Very good. What is this?
This is an onion.
What is this?
This is an onion.
Very good. What is this?
This is a cucumber.
What is this?
This is a cucumber.
Very good. What is this?
This is a potato.
What is this?
This is a potato.
Very good. What is this?
This is a garlic.
What is this?
This is a garlic.
Very good. What is this?
This is a lady's finger.
What is this?
This is a lady's finger.
Very good. What is this?
This is a cassava.
What is this?
This is a cassava.
Very good. What is this?
This is a corn.
What is this?
This is a corn.
Very good. What is this?
This is a parsnip.
What is this?
This is a parsnip.
Very good. What is this?
This is a celery root.
What is this?
This is a celery root.
Very good.